The ECP today notified the final results for the general election, issuing a list of winning MNAs. The results of 14 constituencies have been withheld. The notifications for 2 of Pakistan Tehreek-i Insaf (PTI) Chairman Imran Khan seats, Na 53, Islamabad 2, and Na 131, Lahore X, have been withheld, while notifications for his wins in Na 35 Banu, Na 95 Mian Wali I, and Na 243, Karachi East 2, will be subject to the ECP's final decision in pending cases pertaining to violation of its code of conduct. In Na 53, the notification of Khan's victory against former Prime Minister Shahid Khaqan Abbasi has been withheld, the ECP list reads. In Na 131, the ECP withheld its notification because of a Lahore High Court order staying the result. Khan, who has already been nominated as his party's candidate for the post of Prime Minister, is expected to take oath for the post on August 15. List of MNAs ECP List of MNAs GE 2018 by Don.com Unscript List of MPAs Sindh Assembly Final List by Don.com Unscript KP Assembly Final List by Don.com Unscript Baluchistan Assembly Final List by Don.com Unscript Next Steps. The ECP's notification meets a legal deadline for declaration of results set under Section 98 of the Elections Act. On receipt of the final consolidated result from the returning officer, the Commission shall, within 14 days from the date of the polls, publish in the official gazette the name of the contesting candidate who has received the highest number of votes and stands elected. Section 98(1) reads. Under Section 98(2), the ECP is also to publish in the official gazette the name of each contesting candidate and the total number of votes received by him as in the final consolidated result. The ECP under the law will be required to place the documents on its official website within 2 days from the date of publication of the name of returned candidate in the official gazette. A senior ECP official told Dawn that the independent members elected the national and provincial assemblies would have 3 more days to join a political party. According to him, if a member is elected to the National Assembly as an independent, Article 51(e) provides that the member can join a party within 3 days after his name is published in the official gazette as a winner. A similar provision is given in Article 106 of the Constitution for provincial assembly members. Immediately after the announcement of official results of the national and provincial assemblies, the ECP issues a notification giving those elected as independents an option to join a political party. If they don't join a party within the specified time frame, such members are treated as independents. The official said on the basis of the number of independents joining political parties, the ECP would calculate each party's share in the seats reserved for women and religious minorities and would notify the names of members to be declared successful for reserved seats on August 11. Later, he said, the president would summon the National Assembly session to meet within next 2 days, most probably on August 13. He said members-elect would take oath of their office during the maiden session, followed by election to the offices of Speaker and Deputy Speaker. He said election for the coveted office of Prime Minister would most likely take place on August 15. Answering a question, the official said the schedule for presidential elections would be announced by the ECP shortly after the first sessions of the national and provincial assemblies. The constitutional 5-year term of President Mamnoon Hussain will end on September 9. Under the Constitution, the election to the office of the President should take place not earlier than 2 months before and not later than 1 month before expiration of his term, but a schedule could not be announced in the absence of the President's Electoral College comprising the National and Provincial Assemblies besides the Senate. The officials said the delay in the announcement of the schedule owing to legal and procedural hitches would not make any difference, as the process of polls would be completed much before expiry of the President's term. For more live updates, follow Don.com's official news Instagram account at Don.today.